What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and the quarantine is still on, but I just came out here real quick to show you guys this little guy. This is a little build that I have built out recently, and this thing is amazing. I have to tell you guys what the parts are. These are the Happy Model 0803 19,000 kV motors. These props here are from LDARC. I can't remember the pitch on them, but they're quad blade props, very light. This canopy here, the Runcam Nano 3, and the all-in-one VTX ESC flight controller board here from Happy Model is all from the Mobula 6 or Mobula 6, however you want to pronounce it. And this thing is just a 1S beast. I'm just gonna show you guys how well this thing punches out. I think this is the best weight to power ratio in a 1S that I've ever seen.
Welcome to OpenTX.
The battery is not even charged all the way. Wait, I have a switch warning here on my Tyrannus. Let me see. I'm looking at the OSD, and it's saying that this battery is only at 3.6 volts. I do have another battery out here, but it's just the Emax 450 milliamp hour battery, and I just want to see how well it punches out with this battery on it. This battery is expended just about, but check it out. Not bad for 1S, right? Let me bring it back in. This battery is dead. I was doing some punch outs and all with it. So I got this
Telemetry lost.
This other fresh battery. I was just blown away, taken back by how crazy this punch out is for a 1S flyer.
Telemetry recovered.
Okay, so I popped in the other battery. It's fully charged. It's actually charged to high voltage, 4.3 volts. Hopefully you guys can get it. Hopefully you can see it, because this new camera mount I have on here is stupid. I'm trying to get used to it. But check out this punch out on 1S. This is 1S, guys. Check it again. It's insane on 1S. I've never seen a 1S flyer punch out like this. I mean, I could do power loops, no problem with this thing. Hard to believe that this is 1S. It's very light and floaty, so it doesn't fully behave like a 2S flyer, or as if it had a 2S battery on it. It'll be a little heavier, so it would have a little more throw or momentum. So it does feel very different. But the power on this thing is insane. Hopefully you guys can see this. Man, that's just crazy. Bananas. In a 1S. And I was flying with, I had some 650 milliamp hour batteries, and it handles those pretty well. It's a little better than flying with the 450s, because you get a longer battery life, and it still has a, if not a better punch out, it does have a really crazy punch out with a 650. And I did have the 650s charged up to high voltage, of course. I got those from Crazy Pony Power on Amazon. In fact, all of these parts I got off Amazon. I guess I'm an Amazon Avenger now. I've been shopping at Amazon a lot. but crazy insane. Now this doesn't have a buzzer on it, so I won't get too crazy along with the flight time. I'm gonna bring it in. Thanks for watching.